Today I am reviewing the Sansui 24-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Here is a comprehensive, naturally paced product review written specifically for text-to-speech (TDS) engines. To hit a natural 4 to 5 minute read time at a normal speaking pace, roughly 130 to 150 words per minute. This script is around 650 words. It includes natural pauses, phonetic formatting cues like spelled-out acronyms where needed, and conversational transitions that sound engaging when read aloud. Script title: Sansui 24-inch Curved Gaming Monitor, ES-G24C1. Comprehensive review. If you are looking for a budget-friendly gaming monitor that punches way above its price tag, you have probably come across the Sansui 24-inch Curved Gaming Monitor, model ES-G24C1. Today, we are diving deep into everything this sleek display has to offer, breaking down the performance, the color accuracy, the design, and whether or not it deserves a spot on your desk. Let us start with the first thing you notice right out of the box: the display itself. This is a 24-inch display featuring a 1500R curvature. For a monitor of this size, that curve wraps perfectly around your natural field of view, pulling you right into the action whether you are playing an immersive first-person shooter or just managing multiple spreadsheets for work. It features a full HD 1080p resolution, which is the absolute sweet spot for a 24-inch panel, keeping your pixels sharp and text incredibly crisp. But because this is marketed as a gaming monitor, performance is where it really needs to shine. And honestly, it does not disappoint. Sansui has packed this model with a blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. If you are coming from a standard 60Hz office monitor, upgrading to 180Hz feels like night and day. Everything from your mouse cursor moving across the desktop to fast-paced competitive gaming feels buttery smooth. To back that up, it supports FreeSync technology, which dynamically matches the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card frame rate. This means you can say goodbye to annoying screen tearing and stuttering during intense gaming moments. Now, let us talk about image quality and color, because this is where the VA panel really shows off its strengths. This monitor boasts a staggering 3000 to 1 contrast ratio. Compared to standard IPS panels that usually top out at 1000 to 1, this VA panel delivers deep, true blacks and vibrant whites. It features a bright 300 nits display and wide 178-degree viewing angles. But the real surprise is the color gamut coverage. It covers 130% of the sRGB color spectrum and 97% of the DCI-P3 spectrum, supported by an 8-bit color depth and HDR capabilities. What does that mean for you? It means colors pop with incredible realism. Whether you are editing photos, watching movies, or exploring open-world games, the color richness is fantastic for a monitor in this class. Moving on to build quality and ergonomics. Sansui went with a premium route here by including a sturdy metal stand instead of cheap plastic. The stand supports a tilt range from -5 degrees to 15 degrees, letting you find the perfect viewing angle for your neck comfort. If you prefer to clear up desk space, it is fully VSA mount compatible with a 75 by 75 mm pattern, so you can easily attach it to a monitor arm. For connectivity, you get an HDMI 1.4 port and a DisplayPort 1.2. They even include a 1.5-meter HDMI cable in the box, so you can plug and play immediately. As a nice bonus, it includes built-in dual 2-watt speakers. While they won't replace a dedicated gaming headset or premium desktop speakers, they are incredibly convenient for system notifications, casual video watching, or listening to podcasts while you work. Plus, Sansui includes built-in eye care features like blue light reduction and flicker-free technology, keeping your eyes fresh during long gaming marathons or late-night study sessions. Finally, peace of mind matters. Sansui backs this product with a 30-day money-back and free replacement warranty, alongside lifetime technical support. To wrap it all up, the Sansui 24-inch curved gaming monitor is an exceptional value. It beautifully balances top-tier gaming specs like 180Hz performance with stunning color accuracy and a sleek, curved design. Whether you are a competitive gamer or a professional looking for a smooth daily driver, This monitor is a fantastic choice that won't break the bank.